Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to dismantle on Archero 2. In Archero 2, unlike the first game, the dismantle feature is no longer available, so don't go looking for it. Instead, the only way to manage duplicate or unused gear is through fusion. To fuse equipment, head over to the gear section and tap on the blacksmith icon at the top right. Here you can select any piece of equipment, and if you have three of the same rarity, you can fuse them into a higher tier version with better stats. There's also a quick fuse button that lets you automatically combine everything eligible in one go. Just tap, skip the animation if you like, and you're done. But be cautious since dismantling isn't an option anymore. Once you fuse something, it's final. So double check before you commit to the upgrade. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.